Hello, it's Pete again from Lay and Play. Just want to give you a quick update on the Honda. It's been quite busy on the internet recently. I think we got 250,000 views. No, it reached 250,000 reach, 150,000 views. It's been the most popular post. But since then, we bent it. Quite happy that we bent it. Doesn't matter. It's been built to be abused. It's a bit like driving a drift car and hitting the wall. You're not going to bin it, you're going to rebuild it and bring it out again. So, quick update on what actually happened. If you look here, you can see where the body's split across the spot welds. So we're going to run a seam weld across that. The whole body's flexing in on itself. We've got to a point where this boot lid wouldn't shut. So with the magic of a lead hammer and a bit of wood, I've managed to get the boot straight enough to be able to shut it. On top of that, I've bodged up a strut brace out of another strut brace using bits of old strut tops and bits of box section. It looks awful. It's probably going to stay pretty awful, to be honest, but as long as it stops that flex, because I'm worried about it bending even more and then just becoming undrivable, crabbing down the road and having to go in the bin. But before that, so I made that, it goes in there. When does it, that one? I'm pretty sure most people have seen a strut brace, so that goes in there. It'll brace across the two strut tops. That's where the top mounts of the rams are. But because of that, I couldn't run a 2.4 dump setup because the cross member was fouling on the dump at the back. So every cloud and all that, I had 4 more pumps that I was considering putting in the car anyway. So not only have we tried to strengthen it up, but we're going to add 4 pumps, which will hopefully make it move even more violently, and it's probably more likely to fold up like a crisp packet. So stay tuned because you're going to see something probably fall apart very soon. Peace.